Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. I have here at my shop today 2014 Subaru Forester. This one has approximately 68,000 miles on the clock. I already filmed for you this noisy AC compressor. There was a complaint that the AC is not working inside, so we covered that in different video. And this is brand new customer. There were very many leaves all over everywhere, so next thing definitely before it will go on the lift and then there is a problem, open this door, before driving there I better check cabin air filter. Right, you know that should be every technician, every service should be checking those all the time, even when they are doing oil change. So you open the glove box like this. Now you remove with your finger this way out. It's like a shock, it slows lowering of the glove box. And now I will squeeze glove box here on both sides, and that allows me to remove it. After that you see here the housing for the cabin air filter, and let's see if somebody is doing good job maintaining this vehicle. I expect a lot of leaves there, but maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it was just replaced or exchanged. Well, look at this. So you pull this tray out, and this one, oh yeah, this one is definitely extremely dirty and plugged by the dirt. Oof, definitely I have to write it down in the comments. This needs to be replaced today. And if you own Toyota or some other makes, you are used to replacing just the paper element and you keep the tray, the plastic tray. I don't know what happened to Subaru, if they hit themselves in the head or something. Actually, in the case of Subaru, you have to throw away the whole thing, and the new part is the paper element and the plastic. This is all one piece. That's pretty bizarre, isn't it? Why so much waste? I hope you found this video helpful, and make sure you are subscribed. I have way more videos about Subarus coming your way soon. Thanks for watching and have a great day, my friend.